For most of you who are starting up a YouTube career or a filmmaking career, this video is for you. Stick around to the end of this video. I'll show you how to begin your journey. I've heard most people say starting up a filmmaking career is one of the hardest things. It's so huge in budget and a lot of things are required to be a filmmaker. Yes, of course. You want to get those big clients, you want to get those big payments, you want to get those big money, of course. It means you have to spend much more for it. But not literally much more, because there are the 5 basic things you need as a filmmaker. And I'm not going to talk about it here, but I will leave, I think here, I don't know. But somewhere around here, there's a link where you can watch the video and play back in time. Alright, now you want to start up a filmmaking career. Yes, it's beautiful. Trying to create a story from your head, from scratch to finish. Trying to be the best. Trying to create the Iron Man series, trying to create the Spider-Man, trying to create the Avengers, recreate things. The special effect, trying to recreate it. It's not necessary you have to recreate the special effect, of course. But it's beautiful trying to start up a filmmaking career. My advice to you there is it can literally be tiring. Being a YouTuber or a filmmaker, whatever it is literally tiring. They say story is king. Yeah, story is king. Of course, everybody knows story is king. Will story be the prince or whatever it is, the servant? No, story is king. Yes, we all know that story is king. But how do you tell a better story without a camera, without the good equipment? Without those nice lighting, those beautiful sound coming out from the video, and how would you tell a better story? So who's the king here right now? Is it the story or the equipment you have? Because story is king. Story is king. I know most of you also say that story is king. You need to get a better story. You need to tell a better story. Those stories are gonna sell, and of course it's gonna sell. You can shoot it with a smartphone and sell it if you think that's the king. Of course. Story is king. Like, it's literally your own king, not my king. If you telling a story, of course, it's like how would I explain a story right now? Because a story is a story is like the book inside of itself. But what makes the book attractive, what makes the book even attractive, is the cover of the book. How beautiful the cover of the book is what makes the book attractive. It's what makes you go to it. It's just like the normal YouTube thumbnail, which you and I know. The YouTube thumbnail, what makes you click on the video is the thumbnail. Yeah, the thumbnail makes you click on the video. So inside the video becomes a story, but the thumbnail becomes the equipment which you use in shooting the story. So it's what makes the video attractive. It's what makes the story even much more attractive. That when you watch it, it feels like you are addicted. You are your whole body freezes to that storyline. Of course, but don't forget, because it's the king. Yeah, you said it's the king. I didn't say it's the king. You said the story is the king, but something has to make the king rise, right? So the equipment makes it rise. First of all, in this YouTube channel, I'll be teaching you about lighting. I'll be teaching you on how to manipulate your camera to get the best result. I'll be teaching you a lot of tricks you need to know as a cinematographer and as a filmmaker. So why don't you hit the subscribe button, turn up your notification if you think this guy is cool. But if you think it's not cool, of course you can smash this button here, and that's when you smash the thumbs down button. You can also smash the subscribe button to make me know that you smash the thumbs down and you also smash the subscribe button. That will be highly appreciated. That will be beautiful. I want to see that thumbs down. I want to see that thumbs down. If you don't like me, thumbs it down, subscribe it, leave a comment, tell me some ugly stuff. Of course it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful reading those ugly stuff. So hit the subscribe button, check out, guys, and stay safe wherever you are. Be safe wherever you are, and we all get out of this soon. This corona stuff of a thing, we get out of it soon, and all of us can make a happy memory for ourselves. I'll see you in my next episode. Did I say next episode? I'll see you some other time. Peace.